Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and today you're joining us for another Valentine's Day cocktail. It's right around the corner and we're trying to put a little bit of fun in that holiday. And we've got one that's got a little bit of a trashy name, but it's going to have some great liquors in there. It's a riff on a margarita. We've got some Cointreau, we've got some Reposado Tequila, a little bit of honey syrup, and of course, some freshly squeezed lemon juice. So not quite full margarita, but join me as we make the lick me all over. Let's get pouring. We're going to make this into a shaker, and our first ingredient in here is going to be the honey syrup, and it's a 50-50 mix of both water and honey. We are going to use 3/4 ounce. Next ingredient, freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. 3/4 ounce. Our next ingredient in there is our orange liqueur. We're using Cointreau today, and we are going to use a 1/2 ounce. To top it all off, we're going to finish it up. We are using Reposado Tequila, and we're using one of our favorite Reposados, Santos. 2 ounces. Next, we're going to shake that up with some ice. Chill it down. Pop the pin on it. How do you know when you're shaking it enough? If you look and you start to see some condensation on the side of your tin, you're there. Next, we've got our glass. And what we've done today is we've taken our highball glass and we've rimmed it with Tajin. If you've never had Tajin before, it's a Mexican spice and it's a little bit salty, a little bit of pepper in there, so it's a fun taste. We rim the glass with some lemon juice, dip that in the Tajin. Now what we're going to do is put some fresh ice in the glass. And we're going to give it our pour. It's 3 o'clock somewhere. Lick me all over. Cheers, everyone. You get a little bit of honey flavor in there to counterbalance the tartness of the lemon. This is a keeper, folks. Cheers, everyone.